the bridge to sunny Phuket.
The tropical paradise that is Phuket.
I think we're staying in a pretty nice place, so hopefully we can still enjoy ourselves.
Finally the monsoon's lifted and we've just got glorious sunshine. It's the first time I've surfed since the old bike. But yeah, just brilliant. 3 surfs and didn't expect it at all, and yeah, feeling on top of the world.
Drive 1.9 kilometers to Kwai Beach Resort on left.
One thing that you do notice is how many signs there are about the tsunami in 2004, and to imagine that heap of water just blasting through. It's quite a chilling thought really when you read about it all. How far in is it?
2 kilometers, I think.
2 kilometers in?
Yeah, from the coast.
I think it's quite nice that they left that there just as a reminder of the power. Quite a cool memorial. Sometimes there's a big risk that you're not going to fit through things. The bridge over the River Kwai.
It is famous for being a Japanese prisoner of war camp during World War II. With lots of British and I think Dutch and Australian prisoners of war were held there and were made to build a big long railway. We're going to Nam Tok along the Death Railway.
On the 9:30 a.m. train.
On the 9:30 a.m. train.
What time is it now?
It's about 9:45.
How comical is it going to be if this is actually our train? Still waiting. Bangkok, baby! Woohoo! Okie dokie, today's the day we go to Cambodia. Country number 5, I think.
Our GPS has led us down this road.
Navigate off-road.
I somehow do not think that says Cambodia. Finally found the Thai-Cambodian border.
This guy's now ashamed. He's like, you didn't tell me you had a car, or I didn't know I had it.
We've had a bit of a fail. We're still in Thailand. You cannot cross the border here with your car. We've heard some horror stories from other overlanders that, you know, there's difficulties crossing the border with a car at Phuket, and they say that you need to have something, I don't know, something that we don't have. We've got the carne. I mean, it's a little bit confusing after everything that we've been through today, but hopefully they'll take pity on us or something and we'll be able to go through. Just trying to take it as it comes. See how we go.
Toyota is proud that Joe and Penny have chosen a Land Cruiser for their road trip of a lifetime. Good on you guys. Travel safe.